Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your general situation in love and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so yeah, end of April. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Yes. And sa mga nagtatanong pagdating sa ating mga items, so yeah, they're all available. Okay, yung ating protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, and meron din tayong for love. Oo, sa love, sa mga connection, sa single, pwede to. Okay, and yeah, this is attracting love. Okay, granter, and cord cutting. So, kung may iba pang mga tanong, kung ikaw ay bago, message lang para sa iba pang details. Okay, so let's start the reading for you, Capricorn. Okay, again, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Thank you. And nga pala, yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah, don't forget na subscribe din. Salamat. Okay. Let's see. What's for you in general? Okay. What's for you, Capricorn? In general. Bago mag-end ang April, what energy surrounding Capricorn placements? Okay. What? The Six of Chalices in reversed. Why is that? This is like energy from the past. Okay. What's with this? The Nine of Pentacles. Your past still love, yeah, still wants you, still like you. You're bitter. Some of you may mga tao, yeah, in general may mga tao ditong nabibitter sa kung anong meron ka, lalo na pagdating sa pamemera, kung ikaw is somebody na pwedeng sabihin natin nasa higher status. Okay. What's with the Six of Chalices in reversed? The Hierophant. Some of you, I'm seeing here energy about leveling up. So there's these challenges coming in. Okay? So I don't know, this is talking about kaperahan mo. May chance kasi na there's this offer coming. And pwedeng bibigyan ka ng challenges na universe para i-ready ka sa next level. Yeah, Page of Wands. Parang may mga bagong parating pagdating sa pamemera. I don't know kung ano. Excuse me. Yeah, there's this struggle. Yeah, again, another page. Page of Pentacles. What else? Yung past person mo talaga, gusto ka pa rin. Excuse me. Yes, ako'y inuubo. Kailangan ko iubo. So, pasensya na po, ha? So, what else for you, Capricorn? Temperance. Balance. Nine of Wands. Who is this? Somebody's watching you. Parang yung kanta, no? You're being silent. Watching you. Ano meron? What's with this Nine of Wands? Two of Pentacles in reverse. You have here 999. Angel number 999. So, yeah. Another message from universe. Somebody, sabihin natin talagang hindi gumagawa ng action. They're like so quiet. Just like just watching you. Parang ganun. Watching lang. Stalk lang. I don't know. Bakit? The Two of Pentacles universe, some of you, you dropped them. Or maybe you rejected them. You already rejected this person, I think. They see you as somebody who's guarded. So guarded. That is why. Some of you, may mga tao na talagang sabihin nating ginagaya ka. Mirroring you. Don't let people trigger you. Queen of Chalices in reversed. This is healthy boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries. The Three of Chalices in reversed. The Page of Chalices. Meron ako na, this is specific. Merong friends dito, group of friends na pwedeng may sarili silang GC and wala ka dun. Pero friends kayo, ha. Pwedeng meron kayong mga GC kasama ka nila, pero meron pa silang ibang GC without you. I don't know kung anong meron. Some of you have to protect yourself from people wanting to connect. Some of you sa workplace or somewhere else na sabihin natin consistent ka na pumupunta. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Some of them meron silang laging kailangan lang. That is why. What's with this Three of Chalices in reversed? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reversed. The Seven of Swords. Itong mga to, ang nakikita ko dito is hindi sila totoo. Okay? Hindi sila totoo. They see you as the Emperor. They see you as somebody na pwedeng ang tawag dyan, tingin nila sa'yo matatag, okay? Tingin nila sa'yo may pera, parang ganyan. Pero yes, this energy, this is all plastic. Tapon mo sa dagat, lulutang. Okay? Yeah. Mayroon ditong magkakagalit na pwedeng kaibigan mo, connections. Kasi parang sasama ang loob. I don't know, parang meron kasi ditong energy na may pupuntahan kayo and pwedeng may mag-back out. Not specific. And may sasama ang loob. Parang hindi maintindihan yung rason. Parang, ano ba yan? Parang, ba yan, usapan na, ganito, ganyan, tas mag-back out ka. Parang ganun. Parang hindi niya iniintindi or merong hindi iintindi pagdating sa sitwasyon ng isa. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords in reversed. Five of Wands. Avoid arguments. Avoid drama. Okay? So, there. So, what else? Pagdating naman sa love situation ng mga Capricorn, anong meron? Situation. Let's see, anong meron sa sitwasyon ng mga Capricorn? The Knight of Wands. Excuse me. Some of you, you're connecting with a player. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Somebody who's so aloof, acting aloof, indecisive. Itong taong to may chance. Some of you, meron ditong nasa isang connection na pwedeng landian. Okay? Somebody has options. Parang may ganyan. Anong meron? The Nine of Chalices. May chance na ma-attach, if ever. Versus attachments. So, mahirap to. Kung kayo naman ay playtime lang, baka may ma-fall talaga. Yeah, the High Priestess. Andyan na yung paghahanap. Okay? Kung wala kayong label nito, hindi ka pwedeng mag-demand. The High Priestess, marami ng tanong dyan. And the Seven of Chalices, in reversed. The King of Wands, in reversed. This is the manipulator, the player, the Five of Wands. Some of you, you're in a connection na parang sex-based. Benefits. Parang ganyan. Andito, nakikita ko na parang may hirapan kang umalis. Or somebody. May hirapang umalis sa ganitong connection. Even though, yeah, wala namang kaseryosohan. Kasi may nafo-fall eh. Baka may ma-fall. Okay, so, kung ikaw nasa ganyang situation, unahan na natin. Okay? Huwag ka ma-fall. Kung gusto mong laro lang. Yeah. Kasi yung isa sa inyo, sabihin natin, kung hindi ikaw tong Knight of Wands na to, pwedeng yung person mo, yung Knight of Wands. Okay? Magsasettle ka rito eh. Some of you. May chance na magsettle ka. Or pwedeng, some of you are dealing with two people. And pwedeng kung sino man yung isa, is ma-attach sa'yo. Okay? Kahit, like, andun yung pagte-take risk ng tao. What else? What else for you? Capricorn. Two of Swords. Are you trying to avoid somebody? This being avoidant or ignoring somebody? This is indecisiveness. The Two of Swords. Are you indecisive? Ano bang gusto mo? Excuse me. What's with the Two of Swords? Some of you have options. Justice in reversed. Nako. Some of you are dealing with Libra. Your sign. Somebody is cheating. Merong nag-cheat dito. Or somebody na pwedeng hindi makapag-desisyon. Makagawa ng desisyon. Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reversed. Wala pa ring malinaw na usapan ditong mangyayari. Yeah, the Hermit. The Hermit, that is energy of isolating. Yeah, the Five of Swords. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang nagiging indecisive sa isang situation, whether like, hindi mo alam kung sino ang pipiliin, then, iiwas mo na lang agad yung sarili mo from this. Huwag mo nang ituloy, huwag mo na ipagpatuloy, if ever, the Eight of Wands. Okay, the Hermit. Ilayo mo na, i-isolate mo na yung sarili mo. The Five of Swords in reverse, para hindi ka ma-stress. Okay? If ikaw naman, yung naghihintay ng isang decision ng tao, wala kang makukuha. Okay? So, ilayo mo lang yung sarili mo from this. Wala ka kasing makukuha from them. Mas mahalagang peace of mind. Mas maganda ikaw ang gumawa ng decision kung hindi makapag-desisyon ng iba. Yeah, the Empress is here in reverse. There's no energy about progress or improvement. No long term. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, no actions. It's parang stuck. Ten of Chalices in reverse. I don't know, may chance na pwedeng hindi lang kayo ang maapektuhan dito. This is family. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles, some of you, mas okay kung ikaw ay nakafocus na lang sa pamemera mo. So, there. So, just take it lang kung ikaw ay nakaka-resonate. Pero if not, yeah, pwedeng sa iba yung reading. So, wag mong iti-take kung hindi nakaka-resonate. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow yung ating mga YouTube channel. Okay, the person on your mind, Capricorn. Who is this? The person on Capricorn's mind. Let's see. The High Priestess in reverse. Emperor. Really? Some of them, they're business-minded. Like you, some of you. The High Priestess, sabihin nating in reverse, ha? Lahat sasabihin sa'yo nito, they're mature, I think. They are. There's a strong connection. I think this is like your divine or divine feminine, divine masculine. Hindi mo kailangan magtanong sa kanya kasi siya na yung mismong magsasabi. That's, yeah. Sabihin nating mature. Itong taong to. Mature. Nasa high frequency siya. Okay? So, anong meron? Wow. Anong meron dito? Yeah, the Lovers. So, this is a strong connection though. A strong connection. The Lovers. The Chariot in reverse. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands, this is energy of effort. Giving effort. The Devil, this is you. Nasa top ka. So, siguro ikaw, para sa kanya, ikaw yung, nasa listahan ka ng mga prioridad ng taong to. Okay? Itong taong to, parang wala nang gusto, kundi ikaw. This is nice. Okay? Sabihin natin na the Chariot is here, no, in reverse. Let's see. What's with that? The Five of Swords. The Ace of Chalices in reverse. The Nine of Chalices in reverse. So, it's like, being the Emperor, itong taong to, kung ano mang struggles ang meron sa inyo sa ngayon, kaya na itong labanan. Yeah. Lalabanan niya to. Ayaw niya na maging miss opportunity kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Okay? Some of them, yeah, hindi pa rin talaga ready. Okay? Pero, sabihin nating Kinakaya niya. Kinakaya niya. Gumagawa siya ng way. Sino nakaka-resonate dito? What is their emotion right now? What is their emotion? Some of them, yeah, nandun yung pride, nandun yung ego. There's this conflict, pero hindi niya hayaan itong connection na to. Alam niya ang gagawin niya. Okay? Hang on. Let's see, what is your emotion right now for you, Capricorn? The Sun in reversed. And the Six of Wands. Yeah. Whatever happens. Alam ko na dun tayo sa success. Kahit anong mangyari. Kahit ano man. Yes. Grabe ang ganda nito, Capricorn. Hindi ka nito para madaliin. Hindi ka para madaliin ito. Seven of Wands. In reversed. Two of Swords. They are open pagdating sa'yo. Opinion mo, they're open. Marunong sila makinig. Yeah, being the Emperor. Yeah. Noong unang panahon, nakikinig yung Emperor sa mga nasasakupan niya. Kung anong meron. Okay? Kung anong problema. Yeah, they're open. Open ang Emperor. And willing to help. This person wants victory. Wants success. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit hindi niya alam kung anong patutunguhan na kung anong mang meron sa inyo, yeah. You're looking forward na makasama ka. Ganun. Wow. Some of you, kung hindi kayo magkasama nito ngayon, they're lonely. They're thinking of you. You're attracted. Iba to, Capricorn. Saan mo nakuha to? Ha? Saan nyo nakuha to? Sino man yung nare-reading ko? What is their next action towards you, Capricorn? Two of Wands. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Ten of Chalices. What's with this? What's with this? Kasi nasabi dito na parang yeah, kahit anong meron, kahit ano pang struggles, yeah, nandito lang. Parang ganyan. Nandito lang ako. Oh my. Yeah. Four of Wands. Kasi ito yung gusto nila. Stability, long term, marriage, some of you. Sa totoo lang, Capricorn ha, hindi alam ng taong to kung anong patutunguhan nyo. Pero ang alam niya is seryoso to. Oo, seryoso sa'yo to, Capricorn. Kasi naman to. Kung ano man ang struggles meron ka, challenges na meron, yeah, nandyan sila, kakaharapin nila yun. Kakaharapin nila yun. Wow. Kailan tayo nakapag-read ng ganito? Let's see. Potential outcome. Potential outcome. Bago magandang April. Three of Chalices. They want to be with you. Okay? Ten of Chalices in reverse. The Ace of Chalices. The Tower. Ngayon lang nakaramdam tong taong to ng ganito. I think. Ngayon lang. This is like genuine. Ayaw nito na hindi ka makakasama. Feeling incomplete without you. Ayaw nila yun. Ayaw nila na mapapawalay sa'yo. So, gagawa at gagawa ng paraan itong taong to na magkaroon ng success, ng victory sa inyong dalawa. At ang taong to hindi to nag-iisip ng para lang sa kanya. At ang taong to lagi na lang to magsasabi ng as. Okay? Lagi kang kasama. Yeah, this is nice. Lagi kang kasama. Basta alam niya na nandyan ka. It's like suportahan, parang ganyan. It's like partner. Mag-partner. Magkasangga. Parang ganon. So, walang problem. Basta nandyan kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Pero, kahit sabihin nating, yeah, may mga sabihin nating struggles nga sa part ng isa. Yeah, being the emperor. Ready to. Anyway. Ready. The Ace of Chalices again. Some of you. Kapag okay na ang lahat, pwede na. May offer na to. Yes. Ace of Chalices, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they're serious. Okay. Willing to take risk. So, Aries through Pisces. All signs. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Ay. Okay. Aries. You have to drop this Aries. Taurus. They want fast action. Gemini. They're watching you. They want conversation with you. Yeah, they're stalking you, some of them. Cancer. Hindi pa nakaka-move on si Cancer. Some of them, they're stalking you. Leo, they want changes. There's these endings. Virgo, some of them, hindi sila ready to commit. Libra, they want clarity. They want answers. Some of them, they're ready. Scorpio, there's delay. Some of them, they're watching you. Sagittarius, they need you. Feeling the coldness of the separation. Capricorn, they're sad. In general, they're sad. Aquarius, there's regrets. You have regrets. Pisces, if they want conversation. Yun nga lang, meron ditong hindi makausap ng matino. Okay? So, walang nangyayaring progress or kung ano man sa situation. So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.